How to fix 0x800F0922 with Windows October 10, 2018 update. Possible solution: 1. Check if you have an active VPN connection. If yes, disconnect your Windows 10 from the VPN server or proxy you're using. 2. Extend system reserved partition, https://goo.gl/rarzfj. Meantime, try https://goo.gl/nd7mrp. Free up drive space in Windows 10. FYI, should you need more drive space for your recovery partition, by all means, you can increase it if you still have unallocated drive space left or by shrinking other drive partitions. 3. Use Windows 10 built-in update troubleshooter. 4. Do a clean installation of Windows 10 by using Media Creation Tool. Other voices on the web. 1. Follow https://goo.gl/7zuulc to fix Windows update issues. 2. Install the updates manually that fail to install, which are logged at Settings Update and Security Windows Update Installed Update History, and then search for those to download and install from Microsoft Update Catalog at https://goo.gl/e83qdu. Hint: you can download the problematic update from Microsoft Catalog and update manually. Search for relevant KB in the catalog website. 3. Read and follow https://goo.gl/msvuop. Windows 10 Performance and Install Integrity Checklist. Hints: start with Step 4 to turn off startup freeloaders, aka, performing the clean boot, which can conflict and cause issues, then Step 7 to check for infection the most thorough way, then Step 10 to check for damaged system files. Then continue with the other steps to go over your install most thoroughly. Check if any drivers are missing or in error within. Mark in Device Manager reached by right-clicking the Start button, then update your drivers from the PC Maker's Support Downloads web page, using the full model number, serial number, or Dell service tag on sticker. Compare the latest drivers available for download with the ones presently installed in Device Manager reached by right-clicking the Start menu. Make sure you have the latest BIOS or UEFI firmware, chipset, display, video, sound, USB 3, Bluetooth, network and all other drivers, or else download and install the latest now. 4. Run a repair Install by installing the media creation tool and choose from it to upgrade now. 5. Do the gold standard clean install, https://goo.gl/dfb3 New York. 6. Easily reinstall Windows 10 without the bloatware, https://goo.gl/jjxns. 7. Run the following commands as admin: netstop wowserv netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop misserver ren/c:\windows/soft twa redistribution software distribution.old ren/c:\system32 /catru2 netstart wowserv netstart crypt svc netstart bits netstart misserver 8. Type following in Windows Start search box and hit enter %system root %logs /cbs rename cbs.log to something else. If it doesn't allow you to rename, type services in Windows Start search box, click services, scroll down to find the Windows Modules Installer service and double click on it, set its startup type to manual, reboot your computer, go to c:\windows /logs /cbs rename cbs.log, reboot your computer, then go back into the services app and set Windows Modules Installer service back to automatic startup. Note: CBS log files contain information about Windows Update, SFC, etc. 9. Run the below commands as admin: dism.exe /online /cleanup image /scan health dism.exe /online /cleanup image /restore health, reboot your computer. 10. Follow https://goo.gl/5xmedo to troubleshoot common setup and stop errors during Windows 10 installation. 11. You may consider blocking v1809 until the next cumulative update is released, https://goo.gl/c3tnnx. 12. 12.1 Disconnect your computer from the internet, restart your computer. 12.2. With admin access, type each of the following commands, then hit enter. Task kill /f/fi services eq wowserv. Do this multiple times. Netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop misserver ren/c:\windows /soft twa redistribution software distribution.old reamder c:\windows /soft twa redistribution /data store reamder c:\windows /soft twa redistribution /download. When complete, hit enter, then restart your PC. 12.3. If that does not work, type each of the following as admin, then hit enter. Netstop bits netstop cryptsvc ren %system root /software distribution.boc ren %system root /system32 /catru2 netstart bits netstart wowserv netstart apids netstart cryptsvc 13. Type each of the following as admin: dism/online /cleanup image /check health dism/online /cleanup image /scan health dism/online /cleanup image /restore health. Exit the command prompt, restart your computer. 14. 14.1 Check your internet connection and switch off any active VPN connection. 14.2. Make sure you have the latest version of .NET Framework installed and enabled, through the Turn Windows Features On or Off feature. 14.3. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall and / or any other third-party firewall. 15. Important, this section, method, or task contains steps that tell you how to modify the registry. However, serious problems might occur if you modify the registry incorrectly. Therefore, make sure that you follow these steps carefully. For added protection, back up the registry before you modify it. 15. Locate the following two keys and delete them: h_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows/current version /winf /publishers/E7F96969F414F97073DDB7B558CCC h_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows/current version /winf /publishers /8C416C79494F01A467E56D3AA8234C16. C16. Remove all your temporary files in the %temp% folder. 17. Disable security boot in BIOS, https://goo.gl/jmufk6. 18. Run sfc/scanO and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health as admin. Run sfc/scanO